Alright, today we're going to be looking at areas of triangles. By the end of this lesson, you're going to be able to find the area of different triangles. First, let's look at what we know. Right now we have a parallelogram on here. I want to know how many triangles can I make out of the parallelogram. So if I take my parallelogram and I draw an X from one corner, or not an X, a line from one corner to the other, I can't do the other corner because then they would cross. If you notice, I'm making two triangles. So why does that matter? It matters because it can actually help us with finding the area of a triangle. Because remember, here we have the base or the length. Here we have the width or the height of the parallelogram. And because it's two triangles, we can actually find out that a triangle is half a parallelogram. And now we can translate that into an equation. So the area of a triangle is 1/2 the product of the base and its height. So you might see area written as 1/2 its base times its height, or sometimes you'll see it as base times height divided by 2, because really multiplying by 1/2 and dividing by 2 are the same thing. Now we can use that to find the area of the triangles. So for this first one, our area is going to equal 1/2 times 6 times 12. 1/2 of 6 is 3, 3 times 12 is 36, so it's going to be 36 centimeters, and even though it's a triangle, it's still going to be centimeters squared. Why don't you go ahead and pause the video and try the next one on your own. Alright, when you're looking at this one, it's going to be area equals, we could do 1/2 base times height, or I could do base times height divided by 2 again, so that would be 3 times 5 divided by 2, 3 times 5 is 15, half of 15 is 7.5, so this would be 7.5 feet squared. So now I want you to pause the video and try these two word problems on your own. The front of my tent is a triangle that measures 3 feet tall and 5 feet wide. What is the area of the front of my tent? So this is actually very similar to what we just did. So we have area equals 3 times 5 divided by 2. So this would be 7.5 feet squared. A triangular cracker has a height of 4 centimeters and a base of 5 centimeters. What is the area? So if I draw a picture, there's my triangle. Its height is 4 centimeters. Its base is 5 centimeters. So its area is equal to 4 times 5, which would be 20, divided by 2, or 10 centimeters squared.